rabies and encephalitis in the country. I remember then, about 2 months ago, when I was bitten by this cat in our dormitory. At first, I don't mind it because I told myself it's not fatal. But a day after, when I feel a little dizzy, I went to the doctor. Okay? And when the doctor started to tell the complications in the future, I was frightened. The cold sweat on my body, I feel the cold sweat on my body, and so I rushed to the hospital to avail the free vaccines. I think it was 3 doses and 2 for the other 2. Okay, anyway, I received 5 doses and that's free. And according to the Carmen Hospital, if you're going to buy that one, that costs around 5,000. Okay? So, I was just thinking at first it was nothing serious. But when I hear from the doctor the complications in the future, I was frightened, that's what I said. Another story, when I went to the meeting, that was 2 months ago, because a week after I was beaten, I went to a meeting with some of the teachers. The welcoming sign, once you approach, when you are very near to the port, the welcoming sign, welcome to Camiguin. This is a rabies-free island, a rabies-free province. You see? Okay, you see how serious the campaign of the government, particularly that of the Camiguin province, about the zero rabies or the rabies-free province. I know Camiguin is a bit, they are fine, or they are a bit, what is this? They are advanced when it comes to that, no? But sooner or later, our province will also be a rabies-free province. I think that's the goal of the Department of Agriculture. Yesterday, when I read the newspaper, one of the headlines there, according to the World Health Organization, it says, of the 100% of insect bites or rabies cases in the world, about 90% of which happen in Asia. You see the percentage. I do not know if the figure is correct. Okay? So that will be confirmed later by our resource speaker. So this alarming case of the animal bite. We think that most of the time we neglect these things, but the complications that might be brought in the future is dangerous. So this afternoon we are very lucky that we have the Department of Agriculture, our partner, to educate you of the effect of the rabies in the body. And so, later you will learn also, I guarantee you, that their symposium is really very educational. So later, you will know what are the risks of rabies and the responsibility of the pet owner. Okay? So without further much ado, please help me to welcome our research speaker this afternoon. He is the veterinarian at a very young age, 25 years, 27. Very young age, he is a veterinarian at the City of Agriculture's Office of Panama City. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. John Ray Bautista. And I know some of you, if not all, familiar na po sa rabies. Have you heard about rabies? Yes. Saan ba? Ano ang medyo na rabies? Sa news, na-apoy sa show, isa na kita teacher sa rabies cases sa Malawi. Ba? Nakita sa Malawi, si Kuya Tim? So, kanya yung rabies, dugay na din isa na sakit. So, until now, very ano gihapon siya, very common gihapon siya kaya wala natin na control. In fact, ang rabies, ancient times pa na 2,300 years before Christ na rabies. So I think most of you have questions na ako'y uban na well, na ako'y familiar pero na ako'y knowledge niya somehow wala pa na correct. Mga myth na ito na ibanan sa kay tungkol mo ito na dugan sa lain. So this time, with the City Agriculture Office, we are very, on behalf of the City Agriculture Office, we are very thankful na we are allowed to bring this symposium directly in our school. And supposedly this was already scheduled last March. Pero since March is very hectic naman yung schedule kaya nga yung mga practice na. So, karoon na lang yung schedule. So, thank you, Sir Robert Malira and Sister Edna for the chance to bring this symposium here. And anyway, let us start with our symposium. And by the way, this symposium will have 3 parts. The lecture, the second part will be film showing, and the last part will be the open forum where you can raise your questions or your queries, and I can give answers to clear your doubts. Okay. Okay. Madugtong ba? Madugtong ba niya? Okay. Okay. Let us start. Start na? Una na. Kita start na. Katulog ba mo? Dili. Okay. So, let's talk about reading. Kay Igor Inverno, mag-exam ka mo. Kunya sa MAPE. And dapat prepare po sa inyong exam. So, ikaw ba? Okay. Okay, let's start. Unsa ang exam sa rabies? What is the cause of rabies? Masay, ito na nakat, kasi ay balo, ito sa rabies. Masa ka? Caught by kagaw, masa kami kagaw? Bacteria, protozoa, virus, fungus. What do you think? Bacteria, ano bacteria? Ito yung sulti. Ay, ito mo pabor. Ito mo sulti tinoon ng bacteria na cause of rabies. Ito sulti virus. Virus na yung sulti virus. Ito sulti protozoa. Wala. Bacteria. So, the real cause of rabies is referred as germ, but or kagaw. Layman's term, inato-ato na po istorya. But the cause is the virus, specifically the rabies virus. Ang kaning rabies virus, lagyan isang klase-klaseng strain. Na ay Mucola strain, na ay local strain, na apoy, na Australian bat strain. But what we have here in Asia is the rabies strain. Mora isa. Under isa sa Lysa virus genus. So, ang rabies virus usa ka kagaw na nasa laway, sa hayop, sa natakdan sa rabies. So, when you say natakdan, meaning nakakuha sa o rabies sa masakitod-pod nga hayop. This rabies can infect all warm-blooded animals, including humans, monkeys, dogs, cats, and anything else na warm-blooded, whether rabbits or rodents. And ang pinaka-importante ani kay ang sa dog and cat, kay sa Asia, and specifically sa Philippines, mao na ang pinaka-common. Kay sa bats, I don't think we have incidents wherein the transmission is through the bite sa bat. And the rabies virus can attack the brain or the central nervous system. So it starts from the bite. Dito sa bite, sa wound, daghan nerve cells. In fact, kung kutiunin mo yung usapan, try the opposite kung agay mo diwit. So, nanong agay sa kaya nerve cells niya. That nerve cell is very vulnerable to the virus. Muatak ng virus niya, then, mga days, diha sa 21 to 18 days, mo travel ang virus from the peripheral nerve sa inyong body, padulong sa central nervous system. Ano yung mga parts ng central nervous system? Brain and the... Oh, that's word, right? Okay, correct. Then after that, dito sa mo, proliferate, dito sa multiply. Pag may joke na niya ang brain, kung infect, diyan sa munaog sa salivary gland. That is why ang transmission is through the saliva. O ngano po, mabuang ang hayop o tao kay napiktuhan ang iyang usok o central nervous system. So once masaktan na ang tao o hayop sa rabies, mamatay na gini ang hayop o katong pasyente. So ang rabies o rabies, usa ka sakit nga nag-apekto sa utok o nervous system sa biktima, mahayop man o tao. Kung ang rabies kasagarang resulta sa kamatayon, sa biktima kung hindi matambalan sa iyo. In fact, rabies is recorded sa Guinness Book of World Records as the most fatal disease. I-check niya yung isa man ang Guinness Book of World Records, ang libro. So tayo siya sa katay sa sa rabies, protein. Most fatal disease. Ang AIDS, walay tangkal. Ang AIDS o ang rabies. So far, wala din. Okay. So sa paagi, kaya ang rabies. What is the transmission of this rabies? So putakot ang rabies sa tao, pinaagi sa pagpaat sa usakarabit nga irok o irik. So, since sakit na rabies, makuha din siya, pinaagi sa katong na ay sakit po, rabies. Dili ito tinuod nga kanang irok ay rabies. Kaya makuha lagi siya sa irok buwag, katong infected food. So, kung naglayaw-layaw yung irok niya, ang suroy-suroy, mapakan sa irok buwag, mataktan inyong irok o inyong irik. So, pwede po sa makuha sa hayop na matilap sa inyong sumad. Isa'y nakapaano doon, nakapapilap sa sumad. Hindi nila paspas doon ayaw, no? Yung sa patinapan sa irok. Ayaw. So, mataktan. Pwede makuha ang virus sa tilap sa irok. Pwede po sa makuha sa bakbak, ilong, o mata sa ibang hayop o tao. So usually, since man sa palaiwa man sa, di ba magkuya ko sa makalaksit yung laway? Droplet or aerosol. Pwede po siya mo lupad sa hangin, mo pilit sa inyong mata, pwede sa panit na isamad, o dito na po siya mo travel through the peripheral nerve. Pwede po din siya sa bakbak. Tungkol kinakaon o nasa pagkaon. Irong buwag. Kaya ang labi ng paborito parang irong buwag, ilabi ng iwasan. Which is not really good. Kaya grabe ang risk kana. Especially the half cook, kaya mas ganadin ng half cook, kaya mas lasa daw. So, dapat iwasan. Or, dapat din iwasan, bawal yun ang pagkaon sa irong. Kaya hindi na siya considered as food animals. Makasuhan din mo sa Animal Welfare Act. And sa pagkaon po, o hayop na nairati. Pero lang rapid case nga wherein the transmission is through the corneal transplant. Ang donor namatay ikuha, gitulitin, ano man siya? Naman siya